With the conflict in Iran, one big question is, what are the top defense stocks in the market right now? Well, in this video, I'll help answer that question. We're going to use Tykr to save time, and if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. All right, we're going to start with a new feature in Tykr called the AI Investing Helper. You can use it to learn how to invest. You can use it to find stock ideas. You can also use it to build a new portfolio, or even use it to analyze a current portfolio. We're going to see what ideas it comes up with, and then I'm actually going to show you the top 5 defense stocks in the market. Now, there's a few ratings in Tykr we look at, such as that summary, the score, the margin of safety, the 4M. Well, the 7 is the thing to pay attention to most. That kind of rolls up everything. It's kind of like the easy button. We want to see stocks that are ideally a 5, 6, or 7. That's kind of like the top 1% stocks. And you will see in most cases, not all, but most, when there's a higher 7 score, there are higher returns in the market, consistent returns year over year. We'll see that in a second. So here we go. Let's get started with the AI Investing Helper and see what kind of ideas it comes up with. So in the left navigation, look for AI Helper, or as we call it, AI Investing Helper. And on this screen here, we're going to type in, give me a list of the top, I'm going to say 30 defense stocks in the market. Now, before I hit the next button, we're going to look at defense stocks. There are also defensive stocks, which are very different. So defense would be military related. Now, defensive stocks can be stocks like Walmart, Procter & Gamble, Costco. Essentially, when the market goes down, they still perform all right. The reason is they sell a lot of stuff that people need every day, such as toothpaste, toilet paper, and soap. Anyway, back on track. Let's talk about defense stocks. So here we go. AI Investing Helper. Give me a list of the top 30 defense stocks in the market. Hit next. We'll see what AI has to say. And here we go. Now with this list, I see the summary column. I'm looking for on sale. I want to find the best of the best in the market. We can see here there's a lot of watch and overpriced stocks, and that's where most stocks fall. But I do see here, there's one here called Leidos, and that's actually number 5 on the list. I'm going to go in reverse order on the 5 defense stocks. And again, I'm not going to go through every rating. We're just going to look at the 7 to save time here to see what are the best of the best, and then see what those returns look like. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the S&P 500 typically returns about 80% over 5 years. We want to see if these stocks are keeping up or beating the market. And we know that past performance does not guarantee future results, and that's why we look at the last 5 years, not last 1 year. All right, so looking at this list, we see Leidos is on the list. They're actually number 5. So we can jump to Leidos right here. Let's go right to the 7. Again, this rolls up everything. And we can see here, this is a 4 out of 7. Ideally, we want to see a 5, 6, or 7. That's essentially the top 1% stocks in the market. And if we click on the Tykr rating, we can see here this stock has a 61%. So again, we want to be 80%. That's, again, S&P 500 returns over the last 5 years. So it's not quite keeping up with the market. Let's go on to number 4 on the list. This would be Woodward, ticker symbol WWD. Jumping to the 7. This is a 6 out of 7, and check out these returns. Over the last 5 years, 196, pretty much doubling the market. All right, number 3 on the list would be Howmet Aerospace, ticker symbol HWM. I'll go to the details tab. They are an industrials company as well. For aerospace and transportation, they're manufacturing engine products, fastening systems, engineered structures, and forged wheels. All right, jumping to the 7. This is another 6 out of 7. Looking at those 5-year returns, look at that, 617, outstanding. Right, number 2 on the list, GE Aerospace. Going to the details tab, they're manufacturing a lot of aircraft systems like turbines for the military. Going to the 7, this is also a 6 out of 7. Jumping to the returns here, we can see 334% over 5 years. And then number 1 on the list, stock I hold in my portfolio, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. They've got really 2 main divisions. They've got Gotham, which serves the military, pretty much technology that gets ahead of cybersecurity and terrorist threats. And then they have Foundry, which serves businesses. Anyway, this is really the Gotham side focused on the military. Jumping to the 7, this is a 6 out of 7. Going to the returns, this is 528%. So there you go. There are the top 5 strongest defense stocks in the market. I know in the interest of time, we kind of breezed over the ratings of these stocks. You can use Tykr to do a deeper dive analysis and learn more about the company. And of course, you can use that AI Investing Helper to look at other stock ideas and even deep dive a stock. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. And if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.